Encountering a phone number not found error with Ultramobile during account lookup, porting, or recovery can be frustrating. This usually means the system can't verify your number. Common causes include incorrect information entered, an inactive SIM card, especially if unused for over 90 days, or temporary system glitches. Verification failures and data migration errors post T-Mobile's integration can also trigger this. To quickly check port status or recover a number, knowing how Ultramobile's systems work will help with troubleshooting. First, double-check all entered information like your phone number, account PIN, and the last four digits of your SSN for accuracy. Next, use the Ultramobile app or website, which now features an AI chatbot to handle basic inquiries including number lookups with faster resolution times. For account recovery, Ultramobile uses enhanced verification protocols like biometric scans. If self-service doesn't work, contact Ultramobile support at 1-888-777-0446 with proof of ownership such as billing history or device IMEI. Keep your SIM details and account information updated to avoid future problems. If the error persists, ensure your port request is complete and that there are no pending payments.